Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the monster Smile Cat from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw a curve up, and then back down on the left, and the same thing on the right. Next, underneath from the inside line, let's curve it out and back in for the nose. Now let's close off the bottom of each eye with a jagged line back in. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move to the center and finish drawing the nose. Let's draw a small curve in the middle, and then curve it out and back in on both sides for the nostrils. And then color them both in black. Next, let's hop underneath and add the mouth. Let's draw a curve down, over, and back up. Then from both sides, let's curve it down. And then a jagged line across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve along the top. Then curve it down on both sides. And a curve across the bottom. And now let's color the shape in black. Now that we have the shape of the mouth, let's move in and add the teeth. Let's start at the top and let's draw V-shaped points down, working our way out on both sides. And let's do the same thing for the bottom row. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. Now let's move next to the mouth and let's draw a curve around on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of each eye and let's draw a curve. Then in between, let's draw a curve across the top. And then from the outside, let's curve it down and out. Now for the ends, let's curve it back in towards the mouth. And then a curve underneath for the chin. Next, let's hop up to the top and add the ears. Let's start with a large curve up and over on the left, and the same thing on the right. And then from the top, let's curve it back down. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the same shape. And then color the insides in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Under the head, let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. Then from the bottom, let's step up and let's draw a curve out and then down for the shoulders. Next, let's hop into the middle and let's draw a curve across. And then underneath, let's angle it out on both sides. Now to continue the front legs, let's curve both of the lines down. Then at the bottom, let's angle it out. And then a curve to close off the bottoms. And then add some curves inside for the toes. Now let's hop into the middle and let's draw the back legs. Let's draw 2 angles down on the left and 2 on the right. And then bring both of the lines down. Now for the feet, let's angle it out again. And a curve at the bottom. And then curves inside for the toes. And that's it for Monster Smile Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!